Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious stewed sweet beans with you guys. Let's dive into it. And this is the sweet beans I'm using. Brown beans. Pour it in my bowl. Pick the unwanted beans out of it if there are any. Wash it thoroughly and pour it in my pot. Add sliced onions and water and cook it till it's completely soft. Cover and let it cook. My beans is cooked now. I'm still going to cook it. And as that is busy, I'm going to be frying my stew. And I'm adding chicken breast. This chicken breast I marinated with habanero pepper, onions, and salt. In my frying pan, I just add in palm oil, heat it up, pour in the chicken breast. Fry it for 5 minutes. See, my chicken breast, I diced it. Adding more onions. So they will cook easily because they are so small. The way I diced them, I cut them very small. Pour in 2 diced tomatoes, fry it together till that slappy taste is not there anymore. Adding crayfish, salt, 1 bouillon cube, chicken bouillon cube. Put it together, fry it again, another 5 minutes. So delicious. My beans is ready. Now I'm gonna pour the sauce inside. Very easy to put together. It's not difficult at all. And I hope you guys are going to try this. Everyone love it, especially the kids. They love it because of the chicken, And this is busy. My dodo is busy as well. My beans is ready. Please help me to share, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'm serving it with dodo. And if you're coming across the videos for the first time, please don't hesitate to share. Follow my page, like my YouTube page as well. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.